Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm just gonna go over the portfolio for today, and it's just back-to-back red days, red all over, blood on the streets, down basically over 6% throughout the whole day and after hours, down more than $2,000. And just look at the percentages. I also actually got I sold a put option for Neo. I think it was a good time, and for me, it's a month out and it triggers if Neo goes below $45. So, and then the break even is 42.87. So it's a pretty good. I think it's a pretty good value for me, and I get $200 in premium, I believe, $213 in premium, and I would get Neo at $45 a share, which is, I think it's an amazing deal considering that Neo hit all the way to 67. And at 45 bucks, I believe Neo would hit 100 bucks. It'll be more than 2x if it does trigger. And I don't think Neo will stay under $45 until by next month. I believe it will come back once earnings come. So I think it's a nice calculated risk that I took. I also bought one share of Jumia, and it was down 8%. So I believe Jumia is going to be there for the long run. But look at the portfolio. Neo down 5%, Aphria down 6%, Shopify down 2%, Jumia down 8%, Corsair Gaming down 5%. MP actually is doing really good, really good. It's just breaking all-time highs. I still don't have 100 shares in this one. I would like for it to go down a little bit. Tesla down 1.35%. Dropbox was doing good. It announced earnings. I need to check that out. But after hours, it is down 4.88%, and IIP are down 2%. So, I mean, hopefully you guys are doing better than me. I mean, all I see today was a buying opportunity, and I just took a little bit. I didn't want to buy that much because I'm on margin right now. And if Neo doesn't hit that 45 bucks, I get that 200 bucks to pay off a little bit of the margin. So before I was at 13,000, now I'm below 13,000, which is good. And I did do my taxes, so I'm waiting for my tax return. So whatever I get from that, um, hopefully I'll be able to put some of it into here to have more buying power to get closer to our goal. We want to get to 50K as fast as possible, hopefully before this year ends, and then we want to get to 100K, then 250K. So hopefully you guys bought some stuff today, especially Jumia was a beautiful buy at 8%, down 8%. This baby was all the way up to basically 70 bucks at one point, and it was down to 50. It's down to $53 now. So we might see even more red tomorrow. So pay attention to the markets. Might be some good time to buy. Don't buy on margin a lot. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence and let's get this money. Let's take advantage of these days.